The benefits of coconut oil. Coconut oil is a versatile natural product with a variety of potential benefits for health and beauty. Here are some of the benefits of coconut oil and ways to use it. Moisturizes skin and hair. Coconut oil is an excellent moisturizer for dry skin and hair. You can apply a small amount of coconut oil to your skin or hair after showering or washing to help lock in moisture. Promotes healthy digestion. Coconut oil contains medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which can be easily digested and provide energy for the body. Adding a teaspoon of coconut oil to your morning coffee or smoothie can help support healthy digestion. Boosts immune system. Coconut oil is rich in lauric acid, which has antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal properties that can help strengthen the immune system. Supports weight loss. The MCTs in coconut oil may help increase metabolism and reduce appetite, making it a useful addition to a weight loss diet. Improves oral health. Coconut oil can be used for oil pulling, a traditional Ayurvedic practice that involves swishing a tablespoon of oil in your mouth for 10 to 20 minutes to improve oral health and reduce bad breath. Enhances cooking. Coconut oil has a high smoke point and a mild flavor, making it a popular cooking oil for stir fries, baked goods, and other dishes. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.